a Valentine's Day makeup look. How beautiful is this? I can't wait to get it on my face. Let's start with brows, and we're going in with the Pink Honey Original Super Hold Brow Glue. Best brow glue ever. I promise you it will hold your brow hairs down like no other brow glue. I've linked it here if you want to pick it up. To prime the eyes, we're using the P. Louise base in Rumour 02. And on a flat brush, we're taking this deep dark pink shade here. And I'm literally going to just stamp that all over the eyelid. I think this is going to be a trust the process kind of look. On a fluffy brush, we're going to take the shade Funky, and we're going to use this to buff out the edges and make sure everything looks super soft. It's time to carve out the heart shape, so I'm taking some micellar water on a little cotton bud, and we're going to start removing the eyeshadow where we want the heart. We're going to do one on the outer corner like so, and I've also carved one out on the inner corner. Now we're going to take our P. Louise base and just fill in where we carved out the heart. Does it look cute or does it look horrendous? Make the heart stand out a bit more. We're going over them with a white eyeshadow. I'm so scared for this part, but we're taking black. And on a tiny brush, we're going to put this around the outline of the heart. Wish me luck, guys. Are they even? No. Do they look okay? I think so. I'm going to use a tiny little pencil brush to try and blend out the edges of the black, and I'm being very careful with this. Now for the most exciting part, the shimmer. I'm just going to use my finger and place that on the center of the lid. Oh my goodness, beautiful. To add some details, I'm going to take my Made by Mitchell Graphic Liner in the shade Melt, and I'm going to add some little hearts. And we also added some little stars as well. I just finished my base off camera. We used a lot of blush and I think it looks a lot better already. Finish off the lower lash line, we're going to take this dark pink shade and I'm just going to run that along the lower lash line. Then we're adding a white eyeliner to the waterline. And we actually want our lower lashes to be white, so I'm taking that eyeliner that I used before and just painting my lower lashes with this. A look like this definitely requires some lashes. For lips, we're going to go for a nudie pink, starting with the Maybelline Colour Sensational Lip Liner in the shade Nude Whisper. Then we're using this lipstick, which is actually by Primark. I wanted the lips to be a bit more pink, so I took the Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Pure Hollywood, just in the center. I'm gonna take a tiny bit of a shimmery pink eyeshadow and use that as highlighter. That is gorgeous. And this is the finished look. I'm actually so proud of myself. Like, I think I kind of pulled it off. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think in the comments.